and share and subscribe and like.
In this video, we will discuss about integration of c0 x raised to n plus c1 x raised to n minus 1 plus cn divided by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is an irrational algebraic function. Therefore, the technique is that we are we write this expression as d1 d1 into x raised to n minus 1 plus d2 into x raised to n minus 2 plus dn minus 1 into under root of ax square plus bx plus c and plus dn into integration of dx divided by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, where this d1 d2 dn, where this d1 or this is as a c0, this is d0 d1 and this is a dn minus 1 and then this is a dn. Okay, so here this d0 d1 up to dn are constant. These are the constant which we want to determine, constant to be determined. We want to determine this constant. How to determine? Differentiate this, let us call this as equation number 1. Differentiating 1 on both sides and later on multiply multiply by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. If we do this, that means when we differentiate both sides of this equation number 1 and multiply by ax square bx plus c, we get that in the left of this c0 x raised to n plus c1 x raised to n minus 1 plus cn equal to n minus 1 d0 x raised to n minus 2 plus n minus 2 d1 x raised to n minus 3 plus uh, d n minus 2 into ax square plus bx plus c and plus d0 x raised to n minus 1 plus d1 x raised to n minus 2 plus dn minus 1 into derivative of that terms, that is ax plus into ax plus 1 by 2 into b plus cn. Now equating the coefficient of like powers of x, then we have to equate coefficient of coefficient coefficient of like powers of x, like powers of x, we get n plus 1 equation, n plus 1 equations. Solve that equation. After solving we obtain d0 d0 d1 up to dn, and you know that when we get that the integration, and further we know that how to integrate this term dx divided by under root of ax square plus bx plus c, and easily we will get a solution. So what to do in such a type of expression? We have to write this expression as in like equation number 1, then differentiate this and multiply by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, then equates coefficient of like powers of x, we get n plus 1 equations. Solve that equation to find the values of d0, d1 up to dn, and then apply the standard method of finding the integration of under root of ax square plus bx plus c, and we get a solution of this integration. Now let us take example to clear this idea. Suppose we want to integrate 2x square x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 6 divided by under root of x square plus 2x minus 3 into dx. This is the problem. Degree of this is 3, so we take here c0 x square plus c1 x plus c2 less than 3 plus c3 here into that factor into under root of x square plus 2x minus 3 plus c3 into integration of dx divided by under root of x square plus 2x minus 3, where c0, c1, c2, c3 are constant to be determined. Then we have to differentiate this. So let us differentiate this. Integration and derivative will get cancelled, and we have 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 6 divided by under root of x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to, let us take the derivative of this term, 2 into c0 x plus c1 into under root of x square plus 2x minus 3 plus c0 x square plus c1 x plus c2 into derivative of this under root terms, 1 divided by under root of 2 into under root of x square plus 2x minus 3 into derivative of this root term, that is x square 2x, that is derivative of x square is 2x plus 2, okay, plus again we have c3, derivative and integration cancelled. So this is the differentiating with respective to x, we have differentiated. Then now multiply, in the next step we have to multiply by under root of x square plus 2x minus 3. Multiplication gives us 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 2 into c0 x plus c1 into x square plus 2x minus 3 plus plus c0 x square plus c1 x plus c2 into 2 get cancel, and this root term I will also cancel, and we have x plus 1 plus c3. Okay, now let us take multiplication. 2 c0 x cube plus 2 into 2 4 c0 x square minus 2 into 3 6 c0 x plus c1 x square plus 2 c1 x minus 3 c1 plus this c3 plus again multiplication, c0 x cube plus c0 x square plus c1 x square plus c1 x plus c2x plus c2 equal to cube term 2c0 x cube, 2, this is a 2c0 3c0 x cube, this one and this one, plus square term, look at this square term, This is a 5c0 and x square plus 2c1, right? Now as c1 into x square plus, look at the cx term, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so minus 6c0 plus 3c1x plus c2 into x, and constant minus 3c1 plus c2 plus c3. Equate this with 2x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 6. Now equating this, we have the first equation, that is c0, 3c0 equal to 2, and c0 equal to 2 divided by 3. 5c0 plus 2c1 equal to 3. 5 into 2 by 3 plus 2c1 equal to 3. 2c1 equal to 3 minus 10 divided by 3 equal to minus 1 divided by 3. 2c1 equal to minus 1 by 3 if we take the LCM of this equation, this term. So c1 equal to minus 1 divided by 6. Again minus 6 into c0, 2 by 3 plus 3 into c1 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Here is not x, we have taken x common, right? Plus c2 equal to 5. Then you can see that here this is minus 2, minus 4, and this is minus 1 by 2 plus c2 equal to 5. c2 equal to, this will be 9 plus 1 by 2, and 9 plus 1 by 2 equal to 19 divided by 2. 19 divided by 2, first we have get this value. Again let us find the c3 term. C3 term, the last equation is minus 3 into c1 minus 1 by 6, and plus 19 divided by 2 equal to minus 6. So this is 3 into 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 19 by 2 plus c3 equal to minus 6. So minus plus 18, 18 by 2, that is 9. 9 plus c3 equal to minus 6, and c3 equal to minus 6 and minus 9. Minus 6 and minus 9, we have minus 15. Okay, so this is equal to minus 15. Minus minus plus, right here this will be minus plus, and we have 10, right? 10, and we get here minus 16. So we have minus 16. Now let us put these values in the expression. Suppose the expression is, we substitute these values of the constant in the given expression. What is c0? c0 equal to, c0 equal to 2 divided by 3x square, c1 minus 1 divided by 6x, C2 plus 19 divided by 2 into under root of x square plus 2x minus 3, C3 minus 16 into integration of dx divided by under root of x square plus 2x minus 3. Now we solve this expression now, integration, and we will get the final answer of this integration. So this is equal to 2 divided by 3x square minus 1 by 6x plus 19 divided by 2 under root of x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 16 into integration of dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 1 and minus 4, right? So this is a expansion of x plus 1 whole square minus 2 square, and we can apply the formula x square minus a square x square minus x square, and that is cos h inverse. So answer is 2 divided by 3 x square minus 1 by 6 x plus 19 divided by 2 into under root of x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 16 into cos h inverse of x plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the answer of this problem.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.